spray gun is the most important tool used in spray painting process. It is very important for spraying personnel to master the operation method of spray gun. Let's look at the technical fundamentals of the spray gun in terms of operation. To ensure stable spraying and low fatigue, the coating technician shall relax the shoulders and elbows and hold the spray gun in an easy posture. Pull the trigger with middle finger and ring finger for spraying. Move the air tube from the back to the shoulder and hold the hose by left hand at the back. Or, hold the spray gun by right hand during spraying. Hold the air tube by left hand at a lower part of the spray gun at a proper distance to aid the operation of the spray gun. Avoid stepping on hose or bending the hose during construction. Do not allow the hose to contact the surface to be painted. Stand with legs apart for a span that is slightly larger than the shoulder width, and align the shoulder of the hand holding the spray gun to the center of the steel panel. If paint is sprayed before the shoulder is aligned with the latter, it is very hard to move the spray gun against the steel panel at right angles to the steel panel. Move your body around the waist in order to match the movement of the spray gun. To prevent the loss of balance during moving, take care to keep the spray gun vertical by turning the wrist. The range for moving the spray gun shall be 5 to 10 centimeters, wider than the surface to be painted. Before the spray gun reaches the surface of the panel, gently pull the trigger, and gently release the trigger half after leaving the panel to stop the spray coating. The spray gun must always remain perpendicular to the painted surface during movement. Parallel distance, reasonable control over the moving speed of spray gun, and the spray breadth overlap are the keys to spraying operation. If the four elements are kept constant, excellent coating texture and film gloss can be achieved. The distance between spray gun and steel panel is exactly the spray gun distance. The specific distance between spray gun and steel panel during actual operation shall vary with type of paint used and the spraying procedure, and a typical distance is 15 to 20 centimeters. The paint sprayed out of a spray gun shows that the paint sprayed to a certain point is atomized and uniform. However, the atomization of the paint beyond the point is unstable. Therefore, this boundary point can give rise to the optimum atomization effect and coating gloss of the paint. If the spray gun distance is not kept at the optimum point, the spray thickness will get non-uniform. Spray gun too close to the panel tends to give rise to vertical flow. However, spray gun too far from the steel panel tends to give rise to coating with coarse textures. The spraying angle refers to the directions pointed by the spray gun and the surface to be painted. The spray gun must be held such that it is kept perpendicular to the surface, 90 degrees. Variance of the angle of the spray gun will result in a non-uniform sprayed surface, variable coating thickness, and coarse gloss. When the spray gun moves horizontally or vertically, ensure that the spraying angle is perpendicular to the surface to be sprayed on. The movement speed of the spray gun directly affects the quality of spraying, and the normal speed shall be maintained at 60 centimeters as a uniform speed. Too quick spray gun movement will make the paint too dry, rough, and orange peel-like. Too slow movement of gun will result in a thick coating that may cause sagging. The spraying breadth of spray gun will cause most of the coating to be deposited in the middle, with less coating on the opposite edge and around the coating. Therefore, the spraying breadths must be overlapped to obtain uniform coating. The previous coating shall be usually overlapped for 1/2 to 2/3 to ensure the flatness and uniformity of painted coating surface. The coating thickness will also become uneven if the spraying breadth is free of overlap or the overlap is non-uniform. To spray paint onto the top and bottom, or upper part and lower part of a panel, the overlap spraying breadth shall be identical. After spraying, the spray gun should be cleaned in time so as to avoid any remaining material, such as paint, remaining in the gun can. To clean the spray gun, remove the paint left over from the gun can and pour about 1/3 of the dilute solution into the gun can. Spray out the diluent repeatedly for several times. Gently cover the front of the gun cap with a piece of wiping cloth and pull the trigger to reverse the compressed air to the spray gun to purge the paint passage till the inner spraying passage and the gun are completely free of paint. Remove air supply hose and gun cap. Clean gun body and gun cap and ensure that they are free of residual paint. In case the holes at gun cap or the paint passage of the spray gun is blocked by paint residues or rubbish, use a toothpick or bamboo stick with hardness lower than that of the spray can to drudge them. To clean any components on the spray gun, avoid damaging them. When cleaning is over, reinstall the components. Cleaning spray gun using a gun washing machine. When the spray gun is not connected to the air source, press the upper cover of the simple gun can to prevent the paint from leaking when the gun can is removed. Invert the spray gun and pull the trigger to return the paint from the paint passage to the gun can. Remove the quick-acting gun can and pull on the cover of the paint passage such that the surplus paint can be used at a next time. Connect the spray gun to the compressed air tube, set the switch knob on the gun washing machine to its cleaning position so as to wash the gun cap using the brushes of the gun washing machine. The trigger can be repeatedly pulled during cleaning to clean the paint passage for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. Adjust the washing button to its off position and remove the spray gun. Set the machine switch to the blow dry position. Push the blow dry button to blow dry the spray gun with compressed air and finish the cleaning. The spray gun needs to be properly kept when it is not used for a long time. In addition, all adjusting knobs shall be properly lubricated. It is forbidden to pour solvent into the spray gun for soaking, or have the spray gun soaking in the solvent for a long time, since the spray gun will be damaged in such ways.